Hey guys, today we're going to change the hand wheel and we're going to add the hand crank. Now the hand crank is one of those off-brand kinds. I tried to look for a Singer original, but they're quite expensive right now. So I'm happy with paying, 15, 20 bucks for one right now until I can find another one. So let's begin. So before we start, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, and then you need a spoked hand wheel, and this is also reproduction. It's quite heavy, and then when you order a reproduction, it usually comes with the screw that comes with, when you order the hand crank, it comes with a screw, usually. Now I could use the original one, but I've actually put the original one with the motor. So I have that already taken off. I was going to do a video on the motor, but I don't know how to remove it on the underside yet. So that's for another day, not today. I did also forgot to mention that you do need a flathead tip because we need it to remove the clutch. So if you don't have one, go grab one. When you take off the clutch, make sure you don't lose this piece right here. You need that. And when you put it on later on, you want these little two tabs to face the outward part, okay? So I'm just going to put that right there. Then we're going to take this off. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. I'm gonna put it over here. Hey, Kimber. You doing okay? You're all right. All right, so since I have, since this is all open, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of oil on this. This is sewing machine oil. That's the only thing you actually want to use. I'm just gonna put there's a little bit only on this, in this bottle, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil in there, not even enough to do anything, but anyway. Then I'm going to take my hand wheel and I'm going to put it on there, just like that. Okay. Then I'm going to take my I don't know what this is called. I should know, but make sure these clips are in the, facing outward, and put them in the correct spot. You'll know. Is that it? Hold on. Okay, so after it's on, then I'm gonna put the clutch back on. Alright, I'm gonna put this on just like this. Sorry. Alright, and then we're gonna tighten this screw up with our screwdriver. So the next thing that we have to do is this screw right here. It's going to go in this hole right here, okay? I don't know if you could see that. So you're going to screw it into that. But the way you do it, of course I have only one hand, so it's going to be like this. Okay? Alright, just like this. Alright, so I'll be right back. I'm going to screw it in and come right back. Now when you put it on, you want this little, I don't know what this is called, but this little phalange, I guess, or finger, whatever, you want to put it in one of the holes, and then you're going to screw it in, okay? So I'm going to probably put it in this one. And when you screw this in, you're going to use your Phillips screwdriver. And another video said make sure it's really tight. Well, not really tight, but just make sure it's really tight enough, because apparently they get They get loose over time. Okay, next, you see this little, there's like a little screw, but it's not really a screw, it's a spring. You're gonna put the handle in, and then, of course I'm doing this with one hand, but pull it down a little bit and then push this up. Okay, so it can't go anywhere. All right, so it has to be like that. Now we get to try our hand crank. So let's see. It does need a little bit of oil. Alrighty. Yeah, it needs oil. I can feel it. A lot of oil. So I'm just not gonna, I just wanted to put it on there to, you know, get my list knocked off. Yeah, so next will be oil. But, got my little hand crank on there. That's really neat. I'm gonna probably take off this decal and make my own, because I have a Cricut, so I might actually, I'm gonna take it off right now, and then I will figure something out, or maybe I'll just leave it like that for now. But anyway, that's how you put a hand crank on. Thanks for watching.